Is your Wattpad app suddenly refusing to work, crashing, freezing, or stuck on that frustrating orange loading screen? Don't worry, you're not alone. I'm here to help you fix it quickly and easily. Solution 1. Force close and restart the Wattpad app. Let's start with a quick refresh. If Wattpad is acting up, the first thing you should try is force closing it. Head into your phone's settings, tap on Apps or App Manager, find Wattpad, and select Force Stop. This will completely shut down the app. Now open it again and check if it's working. Solution 2. Update the Wattpad app. Using an outdated version of the app might be the root cause of the problem. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Wattpad, and see if an update is available. If there is, install it right away. Solution 3. Clear cache and data old cache files can sometimes interfere with app performance. To clear them, go into your settings, find Wattpad under your apps, and select Storage. First, clear the cache. If the problem persists, try clearing the app data. But remember, this will log you out, so make sure you know your login details before doing this. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall the app. Still having trouble? Try uninstalling Wattpad completely, then reinstall it from your App Store. This fresh installation often fixes issues caused by corrupted files or bad updates. It's like giving your app a clean slate. Solution 5. Check for server issues. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end. Wattpad's servers might be down temporarily. You can visit sites like Down Detector or check Wattpad's official Twitter page to see if others are experiencing the same issue. If it's a server outage, the best thing you can do is wait. Solution 6. Grant necessary permissions. Wattpad needs certain permissions, like storage or network access, to function properly. Go to your settings, find Wattpad under Apps, and check its permissions. Make sure all required permissions are turned on so the app can run smoothly. And that's it. Hopefully one of these methods got your Wattpad app back on track. If this video helped, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this.